This is going to be a 3-part video of this little boat that I acquired and the journey it's made from a year ago to where it is today and some of the difficulties. It's going to be mainly little still shot clips and then some video that I shot along the way. Hope you enjoy. Got a 1983 center console little boat made in Florida. Sabre, 18-foot. Got a little situation where the little platform has there's some soft material where somebody's fixed it back behind it. So we are going to try and fix it. Kind of tired of climbing in and out of the boat via the ladder. There's the hole back there. Somebody's added silicone to it. I'm not sure if that's the right fix. Fiberglass a little bit on the thin side there. Anyways, we're gonna grind that out, clean it up with some lacquer thinner, and we're gonna add epoxy to that space right there and re-drill the hole and remount that bracket. Let's see what happens. Don't listen to that guy talking. He doesn't know what he's getting ready to get himself into. So from this point, I did secure that step, but then discovered the motor on this boat was no good. And right up here, I'm starting to get into trouble. If you can see the rot, I peeled a aluminum strip across there. Now I'm taking the motor off at the shop, and this is some of the other rot and some of the other parts. Watch this little part. At this point, I knew I was in for rebuilding the transom on this boat, and I said, "Wow, might as well make this like I want to." If you can see, I cut the whole back of the boat off. There was nowhere to walk around on the back. It was just two little spots. You're basically limited to the inside of the boat. So tearing this thing apart, I said, just might as well make it like I want it. And I increased, well, we'll get to that in the next video, but it's pretty remarkable coming up with the, just how bad that rod is. It's nasty. So here I'd set my circular saw to a specific depth where I knew I wasn't going to cut through the fiberglass on the interior of the boat. I wanted just to minimize how much rebuilding I had to do. And that worked out exceptionally well. And I tell you what, you want to tear out a rotten transom, let it get good and rotten, because it didn't take much to get it all out of there. But I scraped and backfilled a few places here that you'll see in the next video before putting it all back together. Everybody's used to a mask, so my voice is gonna be muted anyways. Cleared, completely free of rotten wood. Not sure if these holes right there, well, that for sure. That's suspicious. And right there, and right there, might have been contributors to rotten transom. I don't know. So that was the actual extent of the rot. Now it's time for carpentering and rebuild. Part 2 coming up.